something strange today. Hello guys, by the way. I'm doing Rodel today. This is a mountain coaster here in Sweden in Isaberg Mountain Resort. Never tried this before. I tried to do this earlier this year, but it was closed. Anyway, we're allowed to do an on-ride, so we're gonna do that. And this is the first ever that I try one of these in Sweden, so it's gonna be a lot of fun. We only have one for the no, we have two for the moment. A third one is being built in Stockholm. I think it opens like next month or already in this month. We have one of them going up the lift hill. So anyway, that's gonna be a lot of fun. Never tried this before, and this is going to be one of the shortest vlogs that I've ever made. So enjoy, stay tuned, watch the full video, subscribe, like, comments, and all of that. We are on our first ever ride. This is, by the way, over 1 kilometer of track and normal just wire lift or cable lift here. It's a vegan, as you can see behind me here. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Never tried this one. It's fairly new. It opened back in 2019, so it's not that old. So yeah, but it's gonna be a lot of fun. So yeah, I hope you're gonna enjoy it with me. Just completed the first lift hill. Soon going up the second one. And here, by the way, this is it's like the catch here. It's kind of cool. Very smooth. Like this cable or the wire. You can see the cable over there on the other side going down. Very silent. It's kind of steep. It's gonna be so much fun. Never tried this again. Normally here they have a ski slope during winter. See the track in the forest over here. These are fairly cool, to be honest. It's kind of, I'm not sure that I would classify it as a roller coaster, but yeah, it kind of is though. So yeah. Sadly, I'm getting some rain. I told you, you know this. How do you destroy a roller coaster? Put water on it. That also means adding water by themselves or by rain. And I bought 2 rides in this. Not sure that I'm happy about that right now. Took quite some time this to go up the lift hill. Approaching the end, I can see. And by the way, I need to show you before we ride. This is kind of cool. You decide the speed in this one. So pull them backwards, you stop. Forwards, you get full speed. Gonna do one with full speed is the intention to really show you, because they are pretty fast, to be honest. Look at this. Quite some speed. Soon we are doing that. It's gonna be a lot of fun. And the rain is picking up. Again, this is the ski slope here. Also kind of cool. It's not a big ski resort, but it's pretty cool anyway. Oh, the rain is really taking up, guys. This is gonna be a water coaster. Anyway, it's gonna be fun. We're finally by the end of the lift hill. Doing full speed here for you guys. I'm gonna do full speed all the way, even if it rains like crazy, and this is a full water coaster by now. Hello. Okay, fun though. Oh, we get speed. We pretty much speed here. I don't have a jacket. Oh my god, it's so wet. I have no idea. Oh, that's fun. Whee! I got a bit of air time there. That was a bit of a surprise. I hope you see more than I do, because I don't see anything because of the rain. I have my eyes closed. Whee! Whee! I like the layout of this track. It's kind of cool how it follows the mountain, but the amount of rain, oh my god, this is okay. So you who saw the coaster trip, you saw that we have quite some rain on the mountain coaster we did there. I can tell you this is more. That was the roll track here. at Isabey Mountain. So I bought 2 rides on that. We're only doing one because of the amount of rain, as you can tell. But anyway, it was fun. Really great little coaster. Really liked it. I can really recommend it if you're going here to Isaberg Mountain Resort, close to Jönköping in Sweden. If you're going here, you really need to try the Rodel track here. It's a lot of fun. The rain, not so much though. Anyway, I hope you like that. So I think that's probably the I already changed my sweater because the coaster top sweater is or the hoodie is so wet. Anyway, that's one of the shortest vlog. No, I think it's the shortest vlog that we have ever made on the channel, but I really hope you appreciate it. But the thing is, the coaster was pretty fun. It would have been more fun with no rain, but I will try to get back in the future without rain. So anyway, I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment, and all of those things. Bye, see you next time.